We want to express the following positive indices, and that means we're going to be using a to the negative n is 1 over a to the n. What it's saying is if you have a negative number here, you should rewrite it into the fraction form so that the index is positive. Now in the intro I mentioned something, and that is that if you have a to the n, that is 1 over a to the negative n. So if you have a negative power on the bottom, you can switch up to the top as well. So a to the negative 3, well that's just going to be 1 over a cubed. And now I have a positive index. If we use the division index law here, 3 take away 5 is negative 2. So this is b to the negative 2. And so that's just going to be 1 over b squared. And now I have a positive index. We know what happens with this index law. We've done it in the last few examples. So we're going to have c to the 4 times c to the negative 10. And then the first index law, the addition one, tells me that I get c to the negative 6. And so that is 1 over c to the power 6. Now let's look at this one here. So the 10 and the 5, we can deal with that. That's going to be a 2 on the top. So I've got 2p squared q to the negative 3 all over p cubed q. So if we look at the p's, p squared over p cubed, subtract the indices, that's going to be p to the negative 1. With the q's, again subtract the indices. Remember that this index is 1. So I've got negative 3 take away 1, so that's q to the negative 4. And then all we have on top is 2, and on the bottom we'll have pq to the 4.